These updates I'm about to share with you in this video are new updates that are newly launched by YouTube to enable small content creators improve in every aspect of content creating here on YouTube. This update includes detailed information about monetization setup and AdSense payment verification method. Now, the first update is this. YouTube has updated its own platform in such a way that with 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours, you can actually apply for monetization. Surprised? Well, I actually joined the YouTube partnership program and applied for monetization when I reached 3,000 watch hours on this particular channel you're watching before I was later fully monetized. So this is what happens when you apply. Once you get your 500 subscribers and your 3,000 watch hours, what is going to happen is that you're going to be eligible to start getting money from super chats, super stickers, giftings, even from your live streaming. People will send you super chats, super stickers, that is money and all of those on your videos to show their appreciation for what you are doing. You can even decide to turn on your channel membership. Turning on your channel membership allow people to join and they will pay you. Then by the end of the month, YouTube will send your money to you. And of course, while doing all of this, before you know, you will start gaining traction online. You start getting subscribers, you start getting views on your channel, which can easily get you your 1,000 subscribers and complete your 4,000 watch hours. That is when you can now start earning from ads. Please take note of this. If you apply for monetization at 3,000 watch hours, when you finally reach your 4,000 watch hours, you won't have to apply again. Everything will be updated automatically. Now, the difference between these two stages of monetization is that at 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours, you will start getting money through super chat, super stickers, channel membership, which people will freely give you money just to show their appreciation for what you are doing here online. But at 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, YouTube will start paying you money through ads that will be showing or running on your videos. You will start getting paid through those ads. Now, the second update is about AdSense payments verification method. We all know that once you get monetized here on YouTube and apply for monetization, that you will need to sign up for your Google AdSense account. And then you will wait until you reach your $10 threshold, after which YouTube will then send you your Google AdSense account through the postal code that you used before you start receiving your money. Now, the issue with this method is that it usually takes about a month or even 2 months or so before finally you get your PIN. A lot of people have been having issues with this method. But now, the good news is this. YouTube said they will no longer wait for you to get your PIN through the post office, that they will add up or send it through your mail. That is to say, you can easily verify your identity online and receive your Google AdSense PIN directly into your email account in just few minutes. So ensure you have your government's photo ID, that is your ID card. It could either be your national ID card, your international passport, your driver's license, or even your voter's card. And you also need a face screen, that is to allow YouTube to do a face recognition on you, okay? So these are the things that you need. This online method is faster because you don't have to wait for months again before your PIN can be sent to you through the post office before you can verify your identity. Okay? Watch this video that will be showing up on the screen to see other documents that are required for YouTube monetization. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do well to subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button below and also turn on the notification bell so as to get notified when next I drop amazing videos like this.